We are discussing exponential and logarithmic function. Exponential equations we have discussed. Now let's discuss the exponential inequalities of this type. One of the property is if a to the power x is greater than, let's say, b. Here a is greater than 1, b is greater than 0, then if we apply log both sides, then x will be greater than log of b base a. Here b should be positive, a is greater than 1, then answer will be what? X is greater than log b base a. If a is greater than x and greater than or equal to b, a is greater than 1, b is greater than 0, then x will be greater than or equal to log of b base a. Now if a to the power x is greater than b, a lies between 0 to 1 and b greater than 0, then x is less than or equal to log of b base a. If a to the power x is greater than or equal to b, a lies between 0 to 1 and b greater than 0, then x will be less than or equal to log b base a. These are the exponential inequalities. If we apply log, then according to the inequality given, answer will be this one. Now let's discuss this question. What will be the answer in this case? Let's say simple example. If 2 to the power x is greater than 2 to the power, let's say, 2, then what will be answer in this case? In this case, answer will be what? X greater than 2. If 2 to the power x is greater than or equal to 2 to the power 2, then answer will be what? X greater than or equal to 2. Right. Now if 2 to the power x is greater than, let's say, 1 by 3 or any number, let's say 2 by 3 or 5, anything right hand side, then answer will, if you apply log both sides base 2, then it will be what? X will be greater than log of 2 by 3, and here base will be 2. If this one, then answer will be what? Answer will be this one. If 2 to the power x is greater than or equal to, let's say, 2 by 3, then answer will be what? X greater than or equal to 2 by 3 base 2. In this case, answer will be this one. In this case, answer will be this one. In this case, answer will be this one. Now, if it is given, let's say, 1 by 2, let's say here, if this type of inequality is given, let's say 2 by 3 to the power x is greater than, let's say, 5 by 3, then what will be answer in this case? In this case, answer will be what? Applied, this answer will be written according to this one. A to the power x is greater than b, and here a is lies between what? Here base is what? 2 by 3, which lies between 0 to 1, then answer will be answer will be what? Answer will be here less than log of 5 by 3 and base 2 by 3. Answer will be this one. Now if you apply here greater than or equal to, then answer will be here less than or equal to. So these are the answers in these cases. Now if you have, let's say, question this type, then what will be the answer in this case? So you can solve this. 2 to the power x square minus 3x is greater than this. You can write 1 by 2 to the power 2, and then this can be written as x square minus 3x is greater than 2 to the power minus 2. I told you this property. If a to the power x is greater than a to the power y, then answer will be what? X greater than y. So here answer will be what? X square minus 3x will be greater than minus 2. That means x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. Now factorize this one. It will be x minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. That means answer will be what? Minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. So this is the answer in this case. Now if you have here greater than or equal to 0, if you have here greater than or equal to 0, then here it will be greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, here greater than or equal to 0, here greater than or equal to 0. Then answer will be what? Here it will be closed interval. In this case answer will be this one. In this case this is the answer. If you have here less than, let's say here, if you want to solve this one less than this inequality, then what will be answer? Then in this case it will be less than, 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 in this case it will be what? Less than. Then answer for this one will be what? Answer for this one will be x belongs to 1 to 2. In this case answer will be x belongs to 1 to 2. This is the answer in this case. Now if you have here less than or equal to 0, then here less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. In this case answer will be what? X belongs to 1 to 2 close bracket. If you have here less than or equal to 0, then everywhere here less than or equal to 0, and answer for this one will be what? Already we have discussed quadratic inequality. Answer for this one will be what? X belongs to 1 to 2. Now let's just solve this question. 3 to the power x plus 2 is greater than 1 by, let's say here 1 by 9. 1 by 9 to the power 1 by x. How will you solve this question? This you can write 3 to the power x plus 2 greater than, here it can be written as what? It can be written as 1 by 3 square to the power 1 by x. Right? So this is equal to 3 to the power x plus 2 greater than 1 by 3 to the power square to the power 1 by x. That means 3 to the power x plus 2 is greater than 1 by 3 to the power 2 by x. Then it will be what? 3 to the power x plus 2 greater than, this is what? 3 to the power minus 2 by x. Right? So this is equal to, here again you apply a to the power x is greater than a to the power y, then x will be greater than y. So x plus 2 will be what? Greater than minus 2 by x. So this is equal to x plus 2 plus 2 by x greater than 0. Now simplify this. This will be what? This will be x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x greater than 0. Now simplify this. So numerator is what? Numerator can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x greater than 0. So this is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 divided by x greater than 0. Numerator is what? Numerator will give imaginary roots. So this will not change sign. So you can reject numerator. So from here answer will be same as this one. That means apply here baby curve method. So answer will be what? X belongs to 0 to infinity. So this is the answer in this case. Already discussed baby curve method. Numerator is giving what imaginary roots, so you can omit that one and you can consider only 1 by x. So whatever the answer of this one will be answer for this one. If any expression giving imaginary roots, then that expression will not change the sign. So and x square coefficient, highest power coefficient is positive, so you can here reject this term, only solve this one, then this will be your answer. These things we have discussed in baby curve method, which is already discussed. Now let's say solve this question. Here modulus is given, only one modulus is given. So inside modulus is what only expression is, inside modulus is x. So you can find out root of this one, mod x equal to 0, that means it will give what, only x is equal to 0. So this will be x greater than or equal to 0 and this interval will be x less than 0. So you can break this one in two parts. If x greater than or equal to 0, if x greater than or equal to 0, then mod of x will be what? Mod of x will be x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. That means it will be what? 2 to the power x plus, it will be 2 to the power x greater than or equal to 2 root 2. So this will be how much? 2 into 2 to the power x greater than or equal to 2 root 2. This will cancel out. So 2 to the power x is greater than or equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2. That means x is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to take intersection between the condition and the solution. So x greater than or equal to 0, intersection x greater than or equal to half. That means if you take intersection, answer will be what? Half to infinity. So this is the answer in case 1. This is the answer in case 1. Now solve the case 2. Case second. If x less than 0, if x less than 0, then mod of x can be written as what? Minus of x. That means it will be what? 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power mod x greater than or equal to 2 root 2. It can be written as 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power minus x greater than or equal to 2 root 2. How will you solve this equation? Now put here 2 to the power x is equal to t, then this will be t and this will be what? 1 by t greater than or equal to 2 root 2. This will be 1 by 2 to the power x and put here 2 to the power x is equal to 2. So this will be 1 by t. Now simplify this one. See here, we have 2 to the power x substituted, 2 to the power x is equal to t. So t is always what? Positive, because 2 to the power x always gives positive value. So simplify this. So this will be t square plus t divided by t greater than or equal to 2 root 2. Now you can multiply t to this side because t is always positive. 2 to the power x will give always positive number. So t is always positive, and if you have any positive number always, then you can multiply to the inequality other side. So this will be t square plus 1 greater than or equal to 2 root 2t. That means t square minus 2 root 2t plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So now simplify this inequality. So this will be what? This will be, factorize this one. So find out first root of this one. T square minus 2 root 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Find first root of this one. So this will be 2 root 2 plus minus of under root. This will be 2 root 2 square minus 4ac divided by 2. So this will be 2 root 2 plus minus of, this will be what? Under root of 8 minus 4, this will be 4 divided by 2. That means t 2 root 2 plus minus of 2 divided by 2. That means root 2 plus minus 1. So t is coming what? Root 2 plus 1 or root 2 minus 1. These are the two roots. So now equation 1 can be written as, can be written as t minus root 2 plus 1 in one bracket and t minus root 2 minus 1 in other bracket in greater than or equal to 0. Solution of this one will be what? T will be less than or equal to root 2 minus 1 or t will be greater than or equal to root 2 plus 1. So now t is what? T is 2 to the power x. So now substitute the value of t here. So t will be what? 2, that means 2 to the power x is less than or equal to root 2 minus 1 or 2 to the power x will be what? Greater than or equal to root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. Now here base is basic. I told this property a to the power x is greater than or equal to b, right? Then if a is greater than 1, then x will be what? Greater than or equal to log of b base a. And if here inequality is like this one, a to the power x less than or equal to b and a greater than 1, then x will be less than or equal to log of b base a. Right? So you can apply here this property. So x will be less than or equal to log of root 2 minus 1 base of 2, or from here x greater than or equal to log of base 2 root 2 plus 1. To simplify these things now, what will be answer in this case? Now condition is what? Condition we have taken x less than 0. So take intersection. Now see, this is 0 and this will be what? Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 will be how much? In point, some point value. And if you take log of this value, this will be what? Negative number. If you have log of x base 2 and if you have log x value 0 to 1, then this value will be always negative value. I will explain in next classes this one. So this is negative value. So this can be written in here root 2 minus 1 base 2, and this will be what? Log of base 2 root 2 plus 1. And if you this will be what? Less than 0 if x is 1, and log of x base 2 will be always greater than 0 if x is what? Greater than 1. These are the property of log. We'll discuss this one. So this is what? Less than or equal to 0. This is this one, and this is what? Less than 0. So if you take intersection, this is, let's say, first one, this is first one, this is second one. If you take intersection, answer will be what? Answer will be minus infinity to log of root 2 minus 1 base 2. So this is the answer in case of what? In case of second. And in case first, answer was what? Half to infinity. So this is the answer in case second. Answer for case second. Final answer will be what? Final answer will be x belongs to minus infinity to log 2 root 2 minus 1 union half to infinity. So this is our final answer. These are this is the final answer of this one. Now let's discuss some common inequalities of exponential property, which is based on Weber method, or it will be solved by quadratic inequality. So let's discuss this one. How will you solve this one? So you cannot multiply to the right. X minus 1 you cannot multiply to the right because you don't know sign of x minus 1. If you put here x less than 1, then it will be negative, and if you put here value of x greater than 1, then denominator will be positive. That means it can change sign. If any expression can change sign, then you cannot multiply to the right hand side. So only option is what? Take to the left, this one. So this will be 4 to the power x plus 2x minus 4 less than minus 2 divided by x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So take LCM. So it will be 4 to the power x plus 2x minus 4 minus 2x and plus 2 divided by x minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So this is 4 to the power x. This cancels out and it will be what? Minus 2 divided by x minus 1 less than 0. Now you have to solve this quadratic inequality, right? So first of all, find the roots of this. So what will be the roots of this? 4 to the power x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here answer will be this one, and from here 4 to the power x is equal to 2. That means it will be what? 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2. So x will be equal to 1 by 2, and from here x is equal to 1. So these are the roots of this one. According to Bayesian method, we have to mark these roots in increasing order. So if you make the sign of this one, so this will be positive, this will be negative, and this will be positive, because here power is what? 1 odd power, and this will also change according to the odd power. This is what? Power is what? 1. So this will change sign. If x is what? X will be greater than half, then this will be what? Positive, and if x is less than half, then this will be negative. So these are the roots of this one. This will be included, this will be excluded, and we have to solve answer for less than or equal to 0. Apply the Bayesian method. Answer will be what? X less than 1 and greater than or equal to half. So this is our answer in this case. Half to infinity. You can check any value here. If you put here x is equal to 2, then it will not satisfy. This will be positive and this will be positive, and left hand side will be positive. If you substitute x greater than 1 any value, it will not satisfy. If you substitute less than half, it will not satisfy. Now let's solve this question. How will you solve this question? This can be written as 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 21, and this will be written 1 by 2 to the power 2x plus 3 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. And this can be written as 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 21, and this can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 2x plus 1 into 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So this is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 21, and this will be by 4, and 1 by 2 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now substitute here. Let 2 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Anyway, substitute here 2 to the power, because here symmetric value in both places. There is a term 2 to the power 2x plus 1. So substitute it t, then this equation will be what? This equation will be t minus 21 by 4 into 1 by t plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. And see here, base is positive. So if you substitute power any value negative or positive, then this will be always positive value. That means this is what? T is greater than 0. From here you are getting t greater than 0, right? So simplify this one. So this will be, take LCM, so this will be 4t square minus 21 and plus this will be 8t divided by 4t greater than or equal to 0. Here t is always positive because t is positive here from this relationship. So you can multiply this side. So this will be what? 4t square plus 8t minus 21 greater than or equal to 0. Now first find out root of this equation. First find roots of this equation, then simplify. Now first find roots of this one. 4t square 1 plus 8t minus 21 is equal to 0. First find out root of this one. So t will be what? Minus 8 plus minus of under root b square minus plus 4 into 4 into 21 divide by 8. So this will be minus 8 plus minus of, this will be how much? This will be 64 plus 16 into 21 divided by 8. So this will be minus 8 plus minus of, this will be how much? 4 into 5. Root of this one will be 20. So divide by 8. So this will be how much? Minus 8 plus minus 20 divided by 8. So t will be equal to minus 28 divided by 8, or it will be, if you take plus sign, then it will be 12 by 8. So t will be how much? This will be 7 by 2, or this will be 3 by 2. So this factor can be written as 4 times t plus 7 by 2 and t minus 3 by 2 greater than or equal to 0. Right. So solution of this one will be what? Solution of this one will be t less than or equal to minus 7 by 2 or t greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Right. Now what is the value of t? T is what? T is 2 to the power 2x plus 1 less than or equal to minus 7 by 2, or 2 to the power 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to 3 by 2. Here left hand side is always what? Always positive value. So this can never be negative. So this is rejected. Now find the answer from this one. Take log both sides. So I told the property of log that this one, if a to the power x greater than or equal to b and a is greater than 1, then x will be greater than or equal to log of b base a. So answer for this one will be 2x plus 1 greater than or equal to log of base 3 by 2 base 2. Right. So x will be what? From here x will be from here x will be how much? 2x greater than or equal to log of 3 by 2 base 2 minus 1. So x will be what? Greater than or equal to log of 3 by 2 base 2 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is our answer in this case. This is the final answer of this question. Now let's solve this question. Solve this question. Here this can be written as, this is based on Exponential method. This will be 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 into, this can be written as what? 2 to the power minus x divided by 2 to the power minus x less than or equal to 0. Now let here 2 to the power x is equal to t. So this will be how much? 1 minus t plus 2 by t divided by t minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So here t is what? Greater than 0. So this will be written as t minus t square plus 2 divided by t minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Take minus sign because highest coefficient is negative here. So take minus sign from here. So this will be minus of t square minus t minus 2 divided by t minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now multiply by minus sign both sides. So this will be t square minus t minus 2 divided by t minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. If you multiply by negative sign, inequality will change. Right. So now solve this by very curve method. So root of this one will be how much? Find out root of this one. T square minus t minus 2 is equal to 0. So this will be how much? 1 plus minus of root 9 divided by 2. So this will be 1 plus minus 3 by 2. So this will be 2 or minus 1. That means this expression can be written as what? T plus 1 into t minus 2 divided by t minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now apply the very curve method. Minus 1, 1 and 2. This will be plus minus, and numerator will satisfy 2 will satisfy, denominator will not satisfy. All powers are odd powers here, 1, 1, 1. According to the baby curve method, sign will change here, plus then minus, then plus then minus. So sign will be like this one. This one. So what will be answer? For greater than or equal to 0, we have to collect positive intervals. That means t will be what? Greater than or equal to -1 and less than 1, or t greater than or equal to 2. And what is our t? T is what? 2 to the power x. So put here 2 to the power x. That means -1 greater than or equal to 2 to the power x less than 1, or 2 to the power x is greater than or equal to 2. Answer from here will be what? X greater than or equal to 1. And find out the answer from here. What will be answer? In this case, we have to solve this inequality. So this will be how much? 2 to the power x is greater than or equal to -1, intersection 2 to the power x less than 1. From this one, answer will be x belongs to R, intersection from this one, x will be what? Less than 1. If you take intersection, answer will be what? Less than 1 for this one. So for this inequality, answer is what? Less than 1. Now take union of both cases. So if you take union of both cases, answer will be what? -infinity to infinity in this case. But here we have rejected this value. We have rejected which value? Already this term is in denominator, so 2 to the power x minus 1 cannot be 0, right? That means 2 to the power x cannot be 1, so x does not equal to, this can be written as what? 2 to the x cannot be written as, this will be x does not equal to 0. So this value must be rejected from here. So final answer will be what? X belongs to R minus 0. So this is our final answer of this question. Here there is a mistake here. So this will be what? This can be written as 1 can be written as 2 to the power 0. This is 2 to the power 0. That means answer will be what? Here less than 0. So intersection will be what? Less than 0. So now finally answer for this one is what? X less than 0 coming. This you can, t is what here? Greater than 0. So this can be written as what? Greater, this you can solve here, greater than or equal to 0. Answer will be what? X less than 0 and this one. Now take intersection. If you take union of these two, answer will be what? -infinity to 0, union 1 to infinity. Right? So this is our final answer in this case. Verify this.